Now I have the privilege in inviting Dr. B. Karunakar Reddy, Vice Chancellor, the Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences, Telangana, to kindly address the August House present here. And ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome Dr. B. Karunakar Reddy with a warm round of applause.
Dignitaries on the dais, Chief Guest, Shri Pramod Kumar Pathak ji, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Ayush, fellow Vice Chancellors, organizing committee members, delegates from all over the world, faculty members and students. It's indeed a privilege for me to be with all of you today. And I could gauge the success of this conference in 1 hour I was present here. The quality of presentations was extremely good and thought-provoking. There is definitely a need for encouragement of Ayush systems of medicine, Ayurveda, Unani, Homeo and all, and Government of India is going in a big way to promote. In the last 40 years I have never seen such impetus is being given to Ayush system of medicine, and I have been told that this entire program is conducted and sponsored by the Ministry of Ayush, which is a very laudable thing, and it's not a mean achievement, a conference of this magnitude being arranged by government itself. Unani system of medicine is quite popular in our state, particularly in Hyderabad. Unani hospital at Charminar has been popular for almost more than 5 decades, and even I was treated by Unani doctors during my childhood. The aim of all systems of medicine is only to relieve the suffering and improve the health of individuals and society as a whole, and all the systems should work in harmony to achieve this. And Unani, Ayurveda and all these systems are much more cost effective and have less side effects compared to the allopathic system of medicine, and there is every need for these systems to be developed and encouraged, and the past glory which the Unani system had should again be regained. And for this, and research which is needed to be done. Unfortunately, in our country, the volumes of patients and the treatment which is being provided by every physician of any system of medicine is enormous. But the research, the documentation, the presentations is minimum. That is one reason why we are lagging behind and getting little international recognition. The main reason is we don't project ourselves, we don't sell ourselves. The present generation, they have to think that you have to sell yourselves, you have to project yourself so that the system gets projected. And the aim of achieving health for all and good health and well-being is definitely achievable. And see, in the past 15-20 years, our country has made enormous strides. We have drastically reduced the maternal mortality rate, infant mortality rate, and other parameters of healthcare which have improved drastically. So another aspect where we have improved is we have cut down drastically on waterborne diseases and all. But we are getting newer and newer challenges. All of you are aware of the recent outbreak of coronavirus and such pollution-related problems. So all these will be coming. So we need to have lot of research into all these problems and to develop systems where we can prevent. See, most important is prevention of the disease, and then how to educate our society about healthcare practices, what to eat, when to eat, how to eat, and lifestyle practices, so that lifestyle related diseases which predominantly were Western diseases have become now common in our country, how those can be avoided, how geriatric care, the paper was presented on how geriatric care has to be, provided, and how geriatric people have to be, longevity have to be improved in Unani system. So all these have to be improved, projected in a great way so that the society benefits and we achieve the target of good health and well-being. So once again, I congratulate the organizers for organizing this nice event in a grand way and thank the government for providing all the support. I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.